if you want to know how I grow my hair in just 3 weeks. And now, sharing this to you, the product that I use, the Seduction. My first week that I used the Grandier 10 times hair grower. So first pa lang mapapansin niyo sa hair ko is super bouncy siya. And talaga namang tumutubo na yung buhok ko. And super smooth din niya na nakakatulong din to sa pagpapatubo ng aking mga maliliit na buhok. My second week that I used the Grandier 10 times hair grower. And here's the direction after take a bath. Apply the product directly on your dry scalp. Massage on your scalp for 1 to 2 minutes for ease absorption. Do this every night before bedtime or kahit after nyo maligo, pwede ito mga mamshi ko. And I promise to you that you will love the result while using this Seduction. And my hair fall, konti na lang yung naglalagas sa hair ko. And this is our third week. My honest review about this Grandier 10 times hair grower by Seduction. As you can see, mga mamshi ko, ang hair ni mamshi is sobrang haba niya. And nakakapagpapas hair growth nga siya. Eh, tinan niyo to, yung hair ko before. Yung simula nang gumagamit ako nito is makes yung hair ko. And look at my hair now. So, sobrang ang haba-haba na ng hair ko. And dito sa part na medyo manipis yung hair ko. So, medyo meron na yung tubo. And dito din. And mapapansin niyo yung dito ko, yung dito is meron akong maliit na bangso. So, ngayon, wala na. So, lahat yan is tumubo na nga. So, ano pang inaantay niyo? This one already promotes hair growth. And pwede din ito sa mga lalaki and babae. Is prevent hair loss. So, medyo nabawasan na yung hair fall ko, mga mamshi ko. As you can see. For all hair types. So, kapag sinabing for all hair types, you can use kung oily hair ka, dry hair ka. It prevents anti-dandruff din, mga mamshi ko. Kaya naman, surely recommend this Grandier 10 times hair grower by Seduction.